But if I turn this on, whoa, that's a little trippy, I'm not gonna lie to you. What's going on, guys? It's UrAvgConsumer, and today we're checking out a pair of open ear earbuds, which are really different from what you see typically. Normally, you got the in-ear buds. These shake things up. They're an open ear design. We usually hear that kind of term with like the big over-ear headphones, but now the concepts come down to earbuds. So let's unbox them and see what they're all about. All right, so let's pop this thing open. Just taking a quick look around the box. We've got a couple features on both sides. Well, let's pop it open. I love that all these companies are now using like recycled packaging. Just better for the world. All right, so you pop the box open. I kind of digging this look here. Now, of course, up here, I'm assuming we have some paperwork. And right here, we've quickly got some instructions letting you know how to actually interact with it. So it's got like a pinching system and some touch sensitive parts as well. And you get a USB-C to A cable over here. It's braided. But now, on to the main attraction. It's this guy. These right here are the OWS Pros. These are clean. And it's got like this really smooth material on the inside of the case. This feels really nice. So here they are. These are the Oladance OWS Pros. And like I said, these are a pair of open ear earbuds. So typically we see earbuds, they're the in-ear types. Now for me, I'm okay with in-ear buds, but I know there are a lot of people out there who just find them very uncomfortable. They don't like the idea of something being inside of their ears. But I get that, that's completely fair. But this is supposed to be an alternative to the typical that we usually see. Now, if you're not crazy into earbuds, you've probably never seen anything like this before. So let's take a quick look around them. So on the inside, you've got your power buttons located over here. You've also got your speaker grills right here. So this is where your drivers are. And you've also got this button up top. Now, this isn't like your typical button. This actually, like I said before, requires a bit of a pinch, and that's so that you don't have any accidental presses. And while you can pinch to like press or double press or triple press even, you can also slide across these to control your volume. So pretty simple, intuitive controls, what you'd expect from a pair of earbuds like this. It's got some pretty big speaker grills though. So I wanna hear what some music sounds like from these. But from a design perspective, I mean, these look super clean. And on the bottom, this is where you charge the battery inside of the case. You can see you've got the two prongs over here. So this will sit right up top and that's where it'll charge. Now, these are obviously the white pair, but I believe there's a black pair as well. Thank you. So this is the black pair. Now, this one right here is the Misty Black. So, man, these are really clean earbuds, I'm not gonna lie. But they also come in other colors as well. We've just got two over here. I believe there's like 5 in total. So we've got the Misty Blacks, the Porcelain Whites, as well as Luminous Titanium, Vivid Green, and Pearly Haze Pink. All right, let's pair them up and see what they sound like. Oh, interesting. These are actually pretty legit. As somebody who uses a ton of earbuds and headphones, and I've been doing this a long time, now these are definitely not gonna be super bass heavy, but you can still hear the bass, definitely. So I'm actually a little impressed here. Now, for those of you wondering what the benefit is for a pair of open ear earbuds, well, with something like this, it's not directly in your ear, so the obvious benefits is you can have a conversation with someone, you can hear everything that's going on around you. So if Dom is calling me, I'll be able to know. If I'm outside, I know exactly what's going on. Cars, people, you hear all of that stuff. Your ears are still very much open. We've seen with transparency mode becoming a more and more popular thing that people want to know what's going on around them. With something like this, you've got that naturally without like some kind of mic pass through letting you hear everything going on around you. And if you just don't like in-ear buds in general, these are a solid alternative. Now, these are actually pretty loud too. Now, with this kind of design as well, it's really lightweight, so I don't imagine much ear fatigue coming from this. Now, one of the craziest things about these earbuds is that they come with a 16-hour battery life. That is the most I've ever heard on a pair of earbuds, so 16 hours is insane. And with the charging case, you get a total of 58. And with a lot of today's earbuds, you get maybe 24 hours, including the case. You'll get like 5 or 6 from the earbuds themselves, and additional charge up to 24 hours. And that's what's like pretty standard these days. 58, insane. So this could definitely be worth getting your hands on if you're like somebody who wants to take it to the gym. Now you might be thinking, how does this fare in the gym? Can it handle sweat? Well, this is IPX4 rated, so like sweat resistant, splash resistant. You'll be able to work out with these without an issue. And what's also nice is while you're working out with earbuds, I mean, we've all seen them. When you got the in-ear buds and you take them out of your ears, you know, sometimes you leave a little bit of wax. It's not the nicest thing. It's not always very clean. You don't have to worry about that with these. With these, you just throw them on top. They're always gonna be in clean condition because they don't have to go inside where you can find any wax. And we've seen other earbuds like this where they're like bone conduction earbuds. This is not that, this is air conduction, so like kind of like your typical audio. So that's kind of the experience that you're getting here. Now, of course, you know, there's gonna be an app, and within this app, you can control all kinds of stuff. So one, right off the bat, you can see like your battery life. And of course, you can even change the way your audio sounds. So if you want more bass, you can add that. If you want to increase your vocals. And if you're experienced, you can jump into the equalizer settings. Surging bass, what's that sound like? Okay. You can hear a massive difference between surging bass and pure voice. Well, you know me. I'm gonna stick to surging bass. Now there's even some other cool stuff. So if you happen to misplace a pair of earbuds, you can actually take two standalone earbuds and do a feature where they call it buddy a buddy. So you can have maybe one blue, one black, one white. I don't know, maybe you wanna switch up your style. It's a feature. Focus mode. Whoa, this is great. Hold on now. Is this like a form of active noise cancellation? All right, there's a fan, what is it? Is it from the red? There's some kind of humming here, but if I turn this on, so this is kind of like, whoa, that's a little trippy. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a little trippy. It's kind of like active noise cancellation, but how's that even possible with like...
If I clap, can you hear this?
I mean, I can, yeah.
You can hear it, but...
It's the humming though. I mean, my ears are still out here, you know? But I guess it's just kind of supposed to help you focus a little bit. Okay, and I just like, hear myself right now. This is insane. So the app offers a ton of stuff that you'd expect to get, so you can customize your earbuds, but the focus mode, that's the one I wasn't expecting. Now, in terms of pricing, these are gonna be going for $229.99. But yeah, these are definitely solid for the category that they're in. You don't see a lot of open ear earbuds, and with the quality that these have, they're definitely amongst the best that I've seen so far. But that about wraps it up, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Of course, I have everything you see here linked down below in the description if you want to learn more. If you want to see a full-blown review, let me know with a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.